everybody. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I am Tyler. I am a photographer, videographer, creative, coffee lover, and today we are in the Whiteshell. Back in the Whiteshell, actually, because we've been out here a few times now. But honestly, it's just so gorgeous out here, and there's so much stuff that we haven't seen yet, and we can't all do it in a day. So here we are. But I am here with Skyler, of course, my homie G. No, guys, oh no, it's starting to rain. It's drizzling a little bit. Oh,
it's just starting, man.
And it's funny because we were just talking about how like we lucked out because it turned out to be nice today, and it was actually like thunderstorming last night. But this morning it was really nice. Like just before now, it was really, really nice. Look at the water. So it's not too bad. I think that we'll survive. Those are some dark clouds though. They're getting dark. But yeah, there's like 20 trails out here, so we're just gonna like pick a trail and then GPS it, and we're gonna go adventuring despite the rain that is coming down right now. Oh, it stopped. It's stopping.
Cheers.
Oh, by the way, guys, we're playing this up on Kijiji. It's a swamp water. If you know anybody who wants swamp water.
Creatures.
Yeah, there's creatures in there. Alright guys, so we're just Googling the trails in the area. There's quite a few of them, so we're just gonna pick one and then mosey on our way, because I think we've had enough of the beach. Well, we haven't had enough of the beach. We just need to move from this spot.
A MISC self-guiding trail does look pretty cool.
Yeah, you want to do Amisk?
Fox.
All right, guys, we're doing Amisk, and we will be there in 3, 2. The heck? Where are we? This is not where I wanted to go.
Ugh, you do not want to go in there.
All right, guys, so we're actually, well, we're not at Amisk Falls. We decided because Amisk Falls was a little bit further and there was other trails in between, so we figured that we would stop into the in-between ones before we get to the Amisk Falls. But right now we are at the something in the bush there freaked me out. Prairie chicken or something. Or maybe it's just Skyler, just hiding in the bush, ready to make his attack. But yeah, okay. We are at the Whiteshell River Trail, which really isn't a trail. It brings you right to the water, like right away. As you can see behind me here, there's like a waterfall. See, like we're really close to the road. We just like parked like just over there, but like. Look at that. Little waterfall under the bridge there. It looks like that bridge has another little bridge above it, so we're gonna go see if we can actually get on there. No, we can't. Damn it!
Make a wish.
Make a wish. Wow. Wow. Guys, it's locked. Is it locked?
Yeah.
The water's right there. Waterfall. Damn it. Damn you, stupid lock on the gate. Oh well. Look at that though. Pretty crazy. Guys, Skyler is doing his frog thing again. Because I just noticed that there was a frog on that log. Or log, rock. Oh, look at him go!
I had him!
You want a frog, Skyler?
Yeah.
I'll get you a frog. I thought it was a good idea. And then I thought about all the things that could touch my feet. It's a no for me.
I got him.
You got him?
I got him.
You got him.
All right. There he is.
Very chill. All right, my dudes. Me and Skyler have made it to the Amisk self-guiding trail in the Whiteshell.
Oh look, I found your home.
What are you pointing at? That thing?
Yeah, that's a
More
mountain.
info.
That's a mountain, all right.
That's sick.
Or I guess a hill.
Yo. Yo.
Let's get there.
Yo. The T-Rex. Skyler's real form. A little T-Rex.
Blueberries?
No. Those aren't blueberries.
Blueberries.
Haven't you ever seen the Into the Wild? What the?
I'm in the wild now.
Oh God. He just ate that thing. He just ate that thing.
My stomach feels like burning.
Is that a creek over there?
Probably, yeah.
Because it looks all winding. Whew. I just walked all the way up this. Would you consider this a mountain? I don't know, man.
It's not a mountain. It's a huge ass freaking boulder. We're on top of a huge boulder,
Isn't that what a
and the
rock is?
highway is literally directly behind the camera. Literally, we can see people driving by. It's pretty crazy. But from what the map says, apparently there's another viewpoint which should be overlooking the lake or the river.
The river, Rennie River.
Rennie River.
The Rennie
River.
Rennie.
And we'll just have to trek a little bit more to get there. But it's a good thing there's a bench here.
In winter, if you come here in winter, there's lynxes. Damn.
Yeah, lynxes. I'm not a winter person.
It'd be tough to
But
get
it
up here.
would be really cool to see a lynx. At least there wouldn't be mosquitoes.
There would be ice.
There would be ice though, yeah.
You'd fall, you'd slip
Yeah,
all the way down to the
it'd
highway.
be really hard to do.
A trucker named Joe's gonna come by. You think he's gonna pick you up? But no. He runs your leg over.
But yeah, guys, this is the view. Look at that. Straight drop down. That's the highway. And we're all the way up here. And again, this is the Amisk trails out in the Whiteshell. See, you can see people just driving by. And we're up here. King of the world's up here. Right? King of the worlds. Alright guys, so we made it to point 4, and point 4 is kind of like overlooking this this valley here. It's more of a swamp than a river.
It's Rennie
But-
River.
I didn't really take any photos today yet, so I think it's time we switch over from video to photo, and I'm gonna use Skyler as my model. Alright guys, this is where I wanted to take a picture of Skyler, because I just thought that this wooden platform that kind of goes through the forest looked really cool. And then there's like all this like foliage everywhere. It just looks really cool. So yeah, I got my shot, but honestly, there's so many bugs in here. We would stay longer and get all the photos and all the stuffs, but we're dying from heat. Like, we're completely drenched.
It is sweaty.
Yeah, sweaty. My back is like completely drenched. But yeah, no, we would stay. But yeah, we're dying, so we're gonna head her out. And this is probably where we're probably gonna leave off at this point. But as of always,
hey guys, I can't find Tyler anywhere. Like, he left his phone here, his car's not here. Like, I got an idea though. Yo, Tyler, I got coffee!
yo, did you say coffee?